Hello mga kababes! Welcome back again to my another vlog. For today's vlog mga kababes, kung napanood nyo yung last vlog ko, sinabi ko doon na mag-vlog ulit ako para i-share sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa kong proseso bago ako umalis sa aking company, which is sa Papa John's. Yun yung itatopic ko dito sa vlog ko. Actually mga kababes, nagre-render pa rin ako ngayon sa Papa John's for 1 month kasi yung effective date na nag-resign ako sa Papa John's is April 18, 2024. So, 1 month render siya. So, alam niyo na, sasabihin ko na sa inyo yung last day ko sa Papa John's, May 18, 2024. Kasi hindi ka talaga pwedeng basta-bastang umalis. Kasi ang in-advise sa akin ng HR sa company ko ay kapag ka hindi ako pumasok, hindi ko pinasukan ng 1 month render. So, magkakaroon pa ng kaltas. So, sa settlement na ibibigay nila sa akin, mabawasan pa nila yun. So, dapat na hindi umabsent. Eto na nga mga ka-babes, bago ko i-share sa inyo yung mga process na based on my experience sa paglilipat ng company dito sa Qatar. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng tips, no? Una, maghanap muna kayo ng company na lilipatan nyo bago kayo mag-resign sa talagang company nyo mismo, unang company nyo. Kasi mahirap naman na magre-resign ka tapos wala ka pang lilipatan. Mahirap yung ganun. Ayaw naman natin na maging tambay for 3 months or 2 months kasi baka mahuli pa tayo ng police dito sa Qatar, diba? Kaya dapat sumunod tayo sa kung ano yung patakaran nila dito. Kasi yun yung ginawa ko, naghanap muna ako ng company. And then after nun, nakapaghanap na ako ng company na lilipatan ko, in-interview na ako. And meron na rin akong job offer letter, binigyan nila ako, tapos nag-sign na ako. Kapag tapos na lahat-lahat yun, pwede ka na, dun ka na pwede mag-submit ng resignation letter mo. Signing off. O, diba? Sarap pakinggan. After nun, dun mo na sasabihin, i-inform mo na yung pinaka area manager nyo, or manager nyo sa store, ganyan na magre-resign ka na may nahanap ka na ng company na lilipatan. Tapos, mag-waiting ka pa nun, kasi ako, pinag-antay pa ako mga 1 day lang naman yun, kasi nagpa-follow up talaga ako. Pero sa mga iba kong kakilala, umaabot ng 2 weeks, ganyan. Pero may iba din na 3 days. Ganyan. Buti sa akin, 1 day lang kasi lagi kong pina-follow up. Pag pinapunta ka na dun sa pinaka-office, pinaka-head ng company mo, so yun na yung automatic na effective na resignation letter mo. Dapat hindi ka mag-send doon sa walkie. Kasi yung sa amin, may kami, tinatawag na walkie. Doon namin isasubmit yung resignation letter. Wag muna kami magsasubmit nun kapag hindi pa kami pinapapunta sa office. Kasi wala ding saysay. Hindi nila babasahin yung resignation letter mo dun sa walkie. So, dapat papupuntahin ka muna ng office. Ganun yung patakaran sa company ko. Ewan ko lang sa iba. Kasi yun yung based on my experience na pinagdaanan ko bago ako mag-resign. Okay? And then, bago ka pala magsabi sa pinakataas mo, mag-send ka po pala muna ng email sa manager mo, sa area manager mo, para alam nila. Tapos, yun, mag-message ka na rin sa kanila. Tapos, bibigyan ka nila ng schedule kung kailan ka papupuntahin sa pinaka-office. After nun, sasabihan ka na dun sa HR ng yung mga dapat gawin mo, like mag-1 month render, tapos kung may kailangang i-deduction sa salary mo, kasi sa akin, nakapag-renew na ako ng QI dito. Tapos, sinabihan ako nung HR na kailangan kong bayaran yung nirenew ng papa dyan sa akin. Kasi bakit pa daw ako nag-renew? Maglilipat naman pala daw ako ng company. So, sabi nung HR sa akin, mga nasa 900 to 1,000 daw yung babayaran ko. So, huwag daw ako mag-alala kasi hindi naman automatic na magbabayad ako nun. I-deduction na lang sa settlement ko. And then, yun. Ang dami niya pang sinabi sa akin. Papakita ko na lang yung vlog dito para papakinggan nyo. And sinabihan din ako nung HR na kumbaga in-explain ko lang sa inyo para din mas maintindihan nyo. And then, yun, pin-explain din sa akin ng HR na kapag kailangan ko na yung settlement, hindi daw ako pwede na basta-bastang mag-message sa kanila na ganito kailangan ko, ganitong araw yung kailangan ko na makuha yung settlement ko. Hindi daw ganun. Kailangan ko daw na magpakita muna ng QID sa bago kong nalipatang company, tas ipapakita ko sa kanila. So, doon na nila ako bibigyan ng settlement. So, ganun pala yun mga kabibs. Pero sinasabi ng iba, naku, imposible yan. Matatagalan pa yan siguro mga 1 month or 2 months. Pero, kanya-kanya naman tayo ng di ba? Yung pagpaprocess, ganun. Then, after nun, kinausapin ako nung pinaka-head 10. And, kinausap ako na bakit daw ako magre-resign, ilang years na sa Papa John's, ganyan. Tapos saan ako lumipat. Sobrang easy lang naman ang mga tanong nila sa akin. Pero, huwag kayo mga kabibs, hindi ako nakatulog Walang tulog-tulog yun. 4 hours. 4 hours lang yung tulog ko bago ako makapunta dun sa office. Kasi kinakabahan ako din mga sasabihin ko. Baka bablangko ako, di ba? Sinabihan din pala ako ng HR, mga kabibs, na nung araw na yun, ng April 18, 2024, mag-send na ng resignation letter sa Walkie ko. And sa exit interview. Yun na yung pinaka-last. Yung exit interview mga kabibs, may mga questions doon na sasagutin mo sa computer lang sa Walkie account ko. And bago mo syempre ma-answer lahat ng tanong doon sa exit interview, dapat ma-approve mo na lahat yung doon sa Walkie mo. Kasi nagpasa na ako ng resignation. Hanggang ngayon, chinecheck ko. Hindi pa na-approve lahat. Siguro mga pa yan, next month, May, ganyan. So, ayun mga kabibs, papakita ko na lang yung pinaka nangyari sa araw na yun, April 18. So, yun. Hello mga kabibs. Today is April 18, 2024. So, finally mga kabibs, pinapunta na ako sa office para kausapin nila ako kung bakit ako magre-resign. Sana maging okay ang lahat mamaya. Sana hindi ako mablangko. Pag kinausap ko na sila, syempre, alam nyo na, kakabado-kabado tayo, diba? Pero si Lord na bahala sa atin kung anong mangyayari mamaya. So, babalitaan ko na lang kayo mga kababes. Actually, mga kababes, nag-stay muna ako dito kasi namaya na ako pupunta doon. Kasi 11 AM naman yung call time na pagkausapin ako. So, dito muna ako kasi napaaga ako kasi naglalakad lang naman ako kanina. Kasi malapit lang naman yung bahay ko dito sa office. Kaya naglakad na lang ako.
Very good. Very well done. Happy to resign. Why you go?
You know na sir, because I find the opportunity. Find it sir. I want to resign na sir because I find new opportunity.
How long you are working to Gopajan?
2 years and 2 months.
2 years and 2 months. And visa renew?
I think already must be.
So why you, then if you want to leave Gopajan, then why you allowed to renew your visa?
You already renew?
Yes, sir.
But why you ask us to renew your QID if you want to leave?
I don't know also, sir, because the opportunity coming.
No, if you have a plan to leave, then
Yes.
you should not renew that one. You have finished 2 years. Opportunity will not come like that. If you are not did not search, the opportunity will come. Will not come. You were searching, yes. That's where the opportunity comes. Nobody will not come and ask you in this situation, come and join with us. So you were searching for an opportunity. Where are you going?
Mortis, sir.
Huh?
Mortis.
Mortis. This location.
In Westwalk also, sir. And second branch in Salal, Mohammed.
Or Mortis?
Mortis.
Coffee shop?
Pizza.
Morphe.
Mortis.
In the side.
That local visa is this
Oh.
to be in the left side of you.
Yes. Okay na, sir. Thank you, sir.
There is a procedure you have to, because the visa is renewed, there is a procedure. Yes,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am? Again, ma'am, sorry.
When is the last working day?
My resignation, madam, yesterday. I sent. Then I need 1 month render, ma'am.
Yes. So if you put yesterday, that means 17. 17 for
May
start date,
17.
so 17 May will be the last working day. You mentioned like this in the resolution?
No,
My
ma'am.
last working day is this you have to mention that.
No, only I write the yesterday. ma'am.
Effective date. Okay, sit.
Yes, sir. Finish.
What is it?
I need processor, the ID. I need processor.
You process already, no? So only for 900 real.
Yeah, but it's okay na, sir.
Now they are busy because there is boycott going on. When boycott is going back, Papa John will become Papa John. You are looking for a near benefit. You don't look the longer benefit.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, it's your call. I'm just telling you advice. Because there are so many girls go at the time of World Cup. Okay, we were telling them the straight. They are hiring you because they need it for the World Cup. After World Cup, you will suffer. What happened in February and March? After World Cup finish, they don't have business. They said, okay, thank you very much. I cannot afford you. You find your job and leave. Or go back. This is what they did. No problem. They think that we get 1,000 real more. 1,000, how many? 5 months they work? 5,000 real extra they get. But what happened? In the end, cut off.
Sir, for Mortis, ma'am. Mortis. Mortis pizza.
Pizza?
Yes. It's okay na.
It's a old company? It's a
Local, ma'am. 2 branch only.
So,
What's your name?
Johnson.
Johnson. You completed 2 years?
2 years.
Did you meet Hamza?
Not
No. You are from which store?
Westwalk.
Westwalk.
Yeah, Westwalk. Papa John's.
You seen Joseph, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Yeah, what happened?
I want to resign, sir.
Why?
Because I find some opportunity, sir, for me. Okay.
How many months you are
2 years.
supervisor?
I don't like, no, not supervisor, sir. FOH.
How many months? How many years you are working with us?
2 years and 2 months.
2 years, 2 months.
Yes.
Where you are from?
Mortis.
Huh?
Mortis. Pizza. Yeah.
What different?
Salary.
2 years. I cannot tell anything. 2 years.
Okay. Shall I make formality?
Yeah. This one. She should write. She understand it will be when she is received a new Qatar ID. she will try to arrange the final settlement before this one. She is not eligible, this doesn't and all this. Plus, let her know about the visa cost, the player's visa cost.
When is the Qatar expire?
Next year, sir, 2025.
Oh, so deduction will come.
Yeah. Let her understand about visa cost. Recruitment cost, nothing. Because she is completely. But visa cost, she is getting renewal of ID, that's why.
Okay.
Understand? So don't, during you will come to sign the final settlement, don't surprise.
Yes, sir.
Now you will apply resignation. How many days you will give resignation? 1 month?
Render, sir, 1 month.
Yeah. During this one month, please don't absent. And
Yes,
don't
sir.
forget punch in, punch out.
Pension.
That's, otherwise it will be deducted. Okay? Take care for your
Thank
okay?
you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So you're going to transfer your to another company, right? So you joined here in 2022, right?
February.
Your date of joining is 19 to 2022. Okay. So your last working day will be, when is the last working day?
1 month, sir.
So from today onwards until next 18 you should be working. Your last working day will be 18/5/2025. Clear? So you should apply the resignation. The last working day will be 18/5/2025.
Today, sir, I will apply.
Yeah. Apply today in working. So you applied anything before? No.
No, sir.
You have not applied anything before. Okay. What is it? So many you opened.
I try only.
You
I
can
check.
cancel, huh?
I cancel.
Okay. While you open work, you can see that your request more. So open that one, cancel.
Cancel.
Cancel. So many is there. Clear? You need to cancel this one. Otherwise, it will be confused for our. So open apply the resignation request. Last working day will be 18th. You know how to apply, right?
Yes, sir. I will ask my manager.
If you have any doubt, tell to the manager to call me back. Okay? And apply and make it letter.
Later.
Resignation letter by type. And
I need
scan.
to sign, sir.
Of course.
Yes, sir.
Without signing, you will not accept. Type on like this paper A4. Type everything. I'm Johnson. I'm working as a coach. So due to my I got a new opportunity, so I'm going to resign my job. So I will serve my notice period. So my last working day will be 18/5/2024. Okay, type it and sign. Without sign, if you upload, it will be accepted. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So last working day, don't forget to see.
Date, sir.
Yeah?
My last day, sir, and last day.
So you don't stop duty before. So if you stop duty before, like my company is calling me, sir, I want to go to don't say like that.
Yes.
You must complete this last one. After complete this, you can go. Okay? So I'm sending now exit interview. Okay. So while you open the working, you can see the exit interview. You have to fill all the questions. You have to fill everything and click save. Okay.
But I need to write, sir.
You have to type. Why you are leaving? Some questions are there. What are the primary reasons for leaving? You mention everything. When you open it, it will be accepted. Not in mobile, like the system.
The computer, sir.
Yes. You store in a computer, right? Open, enter your username and the password. You can see everything. Click exit interview and you can see these questions. So you have to fill everything. After that, save. I can't see because it's mine. So it will be saved for me. So after save, it's okay. Don't forget, this one also you have to fill up. So resignation request and exit request. These two things you have to fill up. Understand? And So once you start the duty, you can inform to your new company to apply the Atlas to submit your application to change the sponsor. Please you to apply the Atlas. Make it tomorrow, after tomorrow, or one week. It's up to you. Because it will take time for approval. Maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months.
It's okay, sir. I will tell today.
Because you already resigned. You already informed to our manager. So we will not reject you. We will not reject. Okay? So inform to your new company to apply Atlas. So the message will come to you and the sponsor also. So we can see how sponsor apply to you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Don't make delay. Okay? Once you transfer to the new company, you have to bring the new Qatar ID.
In my new company, sir,
Yeah,
I
the
need
new
to,
company will provide you the new Qatar ID.
before I end here in
No,
company.
not before it, yeah, after.
After.
After. I'm not
After my last day.
After your last working day, maybe it will take another 1 more month. Maybe they will take time for the new Qatar ID.
After my ID.
So don't take too much time. Understand, right? After your last working day, we will give you 1 or 2 months time again to bring new Qatar ID. You have to come. Once you take the Qatar ID, you have to come here and give me the proof. Then only we will process the final settlement.
For settlement.
For settlement, you have to give me the
New Qatar.
clear.
Yes.
If you stay there in room, I don't know. I thought, sorry, you prefer the settlement. No, we don't know anything. Once you transfer, you get a new Qatar ID, you have to be called or otherwise come here.
I will inform Ma'am Samita.
Oh, inform them for the call. They will told you to come. Then at the time, once you come, then we will process your settlement. Without seeing your Qatar ID, we will not process. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I need my money urgently, please help me. No. We provide the Qatar ID, then only we will pay.
Then how many months, sir?
So we will not say the time, how many days, how many months, as soon as. Understand, right? Once you provide the Qatar ID, as soon as we will make fast. As here. We will not say within 2 days, we will not say 1 month, we will not say 2 months. I can't predict now. No. Okay. We can't say right now. Bring the Qatar ID, then we will check it out. But anyway, you will get the settlement. Don't worry about it. Our company will be here. Company will never go to some other country. Yeah. So mention in the resignation request that you are going to transfer the company. I got a new opportunity. So blah 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 like that. Understand? And see, in the final settlement, you will have deduction because your Qatar ID is until 2025, right? See, 11 to 2025. It's valid for next year, right? So you will stop the duty 18.5. So until 11 to the ID is valid, right? So how many months? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 9 months is valid. So the amount will be approximate amount for deduction until 915 real will be deducted in your final settlement.
For the settlement, you will deduct.
Yeah. While getting the final settlement, the deduction will happen this one. Visa cost. Yeah. Another one, recruitment cost, no, 0. Because you completed 2 years contract. So there is no deduction. So only this much deduction.
For the visa, sir, no.
Yeah, Qatar ID, we did, right? We renew your Qatar ID. So if you stop the duty 18.5, so we lost our money, right? So you have to pay this one. Yeah.
Yes.
And other way, if anything absent, if you forget anything, that is separate. Right? Until 18.5, we will check your time sheet. Is there anything punch missing? You know that we are deducting every month. If you are not forget. So before you stop the duty, apply your weekly off, everything in the system. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So don't say, sir, I forgot, sir, please help me, sir. Don't say like that. If you stop duty on the 18.5 before, apply everything. Because after you cannot access your work.
I cannot open na after
Okay, if you stop the duty, how will we access? We will stop. So before 18.5, apply your weekly off, so if anything is there, check with your manager and apply. Because based upon this date, only we calculate the fine settlement. If anything absent, if you forget to punch, it will be deduct. If you forget to apply weekly off, deduct. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay, so apply everything.
After my last day, sir, Papa John's give me salary or
Yeah, that I will tell you. So I think you will stop the duty 18.5, right? So I think this April salary you will get, full salary you will get. April month salary you will get on May 5, 6, 5 or 6 you will get, no problem. But May 18 days we will hold. 18 days salary we will hold.
So you will give me advance na, sir, before my last day?
What advance? No any advance.
No any advance.
Once, see, we will, April salary you will get full salary. April cutoff. May 1 to 18 days you are working. So this will be whole. It will be added in the final settlement. Yes.
My last day, my salary pending.
In final settlement, you will get 80 days salary plus leave salary plus gratuity. Plus if you have any overtime or if anything incentive, it will add in final settlement. Understand? We will add all this add in final settlement minus deduction. Minus deduction. So around 5,000 or 6,000.
Sir, how about the sick leave? I will not use for 2 years. No, not
if you have certificate?
No.
So certificate, how it will be sick leave applied?
No, I never use my sick leave. You will.
That will not accrue.
No.
If you use, not use in the year, it will be zero. Not like annually. Not taking this year, it got annually next year forward. Not taking next year forward, but sick leave not like that. So in this eligibility, if you not take, zero. Clear? Anything doubt? So don't say, sir, what happened? 18 days salary. If you give the Qatar ID, once you bring the Qatar ID, then you will prepare this one. Yeah. So inform to your new company, arrange the Qatar ID. If you are making more delay and delay, maybe it will be fully hold again. You will be suffering. Yeah. Okay. So I need letter from your side now. So I will join well. I'm sending my job. My last working day will be 18/5/2024. So I allow myself that I have a deduction. That I have this is cost deduction. Okay. Kindly deduct my deducting fine settlement. Okay. I know my salary 18 days is full. I will get in my fine settlement. Okay. Once I receive the Qatar ID, then I will claim my fine settlement.
I will write also in my resignation letter, sir.
Resignation is separate. Once you reach the store, mention separately and attach. I need now what I'm explaining. You understand, right? Everything.
Yeah.
So I need just by hand. I need from your hand and need signature because afterwards maybe you will ask. So I don't know, sir, you not say anything to me. Maybe some guys are the same here. So better I explain everything. So you're right that I understand everything. My direction, Mr. Cost Production is here. By taking this salary will be good. Once I take my Qatar ID, I will bring it to for process my fine settlement. Clear? So this is the thing. I will give you one paper I pay and you write. Where?
Yes, sir. 915, sir.
Approximately 190. Approximately. Not more than approximately. Copy journal?
Yes, sir.
Anything needs to ask? No. Is this your mobile number? Until your sponsorship change, if anything clarification, we will call you anytime. Please take our call. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
If you change your mobile number, please inform us. Because you don't understand anything, because still you are under proper sponsorship. Okay, so if you not transfer to the another company, we will call you back again and again. We need update. We need updation.
Yes.
If you not give any proper information, we will make against you anything something. Clear? So this is your mobile number. This is your email ID. johncell3@gmail.com. Okay, so we will communicate any one of them. So be online anytime. We will call you at daytime, not night time. Okay. Then anything doubt, we will call you up between 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Gonzal, Ramanan, you will change or not. Anything updation, you need to give updation. If you stay there 2, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, it will be a problem for you. Clear?
Yes.
वो कवर किया है ठीक है bring this out. You understand, right, what I'm explaining?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write today's date, write your name and employee number. Okay, dear sir, you write what I explained about my deduction. My whole salary will be hold 18 days salary.
18 days.
Yeah, once I received my new Qatar ID, I will come to office. Okay, after that I will claim my final settlement. Okay, write everything clearly, which you understand. So you understand everything, right?
Yes, sir.
So go back to the store and apply resignation in Volcay and exit interview. These two things you need to apply. Clear? Okay. After last working day, before last working day, you apply your weekly off, toil, everything is pending. Apply it. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Don't stop duty before 18. Again I'm saying, if you stop duty before, in the final settlement you will get the deduction again more. Your basic salary will be 1 month basic salary we will deduct if you are not served the notice period. Clear?
I will take picture again.
It's okay. No problem. May 8 तारीख में Okay, you can go back.
Sir, if my last day, sir, can I request the certificate employment?
Yeah, of course we will give. No problem. Once you transfer to the new company, you are coming back again, right? So that time we will arrange.
As in the settlement and see.
Yeah.
But NOC, sir, you know?
Huh?
NOC.
NOC will not provide. You are not say any one person to give NOC.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
But don't forget to apply.
Yes, sir. Kaso ko naman din. Hindi ako makakababa. So hanggang dito na lang mga kabibs. Thank you for watching. I hope na marami kang natutunan at maging inspirasyon ako sa buhay mo. Charis! So see you sa mga susunod na vlog ko. Bye!